Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com again, making another video. Just made a video like a few hours ago and posted about how to set up these charts like that and how to trade or take entry around the news time very safely. Okay, if not, then the news time is very dangerous, right? But if you play properly, then you can be taking entries very safely. So let me show you what I showed here, that after the last night we had Aussie news at 9:30, which came out really bad, and Aussie started getting weaker. And at that time I had this entry here, and it was like somewhere here when I made the first video. It's in the few hours ago. It is on the YouTube already. And this one I had an entry here somewhere, right? So now this one, you can see it went all the way. Remember I said that if it goes all the way, I get lucky. If not, oops, what do I lose? I was sitting on both of these entries on a break even, right? So now look what happened to this one. Okay, this is the this happen all the time. It went all the way up, right? For some reason, maybe euro was getting strong, or here maybe pound got weaker. Why? What happened here is that my entry was somewhere here. It went up and then it came down, took my SL at 5 pip. I made 5 pip on this one, the first entry. But look what happened after that. Remember in my last video I said that I will wait for another entry. So it went up, gave me another entry here. I'm in already, and I'm here. I made the 5 pip here, and I'm risking right now 5 pips. That's it. If it comes down and take me out, no problem, no hard feeling, because I didn't lose anything here in pound Aussie. But look, I have decent amount. It's almost like 70 pip from here to here right now. Let's keep going to the upside. Let me just make it a bigger picture here. See, this is this is how it is. Okay, so this was an entry, very nice and clean, a bullish entry, and I took it. It's all the way. And pound Aussie, I got knocked out, but I'm in again, and it's going up all the way. It's starting to go, but it's holding on there. I don't know why. There's a reason, right? But right now I'm concentrating on this. So when I have the trade is on, I'm break even, or maybe 4 or 5 pip at risk. So I don't pay attention to what happened and not. I will see what happened and why it's not going up later on, but for now I'm concentrating on this one. So where should I close this one? I think it is going for 68 number, which is a little bit more to the upside right there. Okay, that is another weekly high, very important number. So probably that's where it is going, and then right there I'm gonna close it. Maybe it's 80-90 pip. Okay, so this is how it is. It's very easy if you plan and then trade according to the plan, according to the news. Now this morning, I think it's like 8:30, 8:45, we have USD news, right? So I'm going to show you exactly. I'm going to make a video showing that how I use I have made the USD index where USD profile, where USD index, and then Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD CAD. Probably I have 4 pairs there. I'm going to watch out, and I'll see which way they're moving after the news, and I find the entry, and I will make the entry, and then I will make the video and show you that how it is done. Look, this is powerfully going to the upside. Aussie getting weaker. Euro, I was expecting Euro is going to get weaker, but it's somehow getting strong, even though there is no news. But anyway, this is how it is. You have to play by the rule if then safely. Either way, it doesn't matter if it goes up or down. I'm in, and I will, like I said, pound Aussie, it just didn't go up. That's fine. The first attempt it didn't go up, it came down, took me out, and now it's there and trying to go up. So if it goes up, that's fine. If not, that's fine. No big deal. I made pips here. Okay, so this is how it is. Yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show, and I'll be showing that step by step some of those trades and pairs that I take, because I get a lot of questions and I cannot type. I hate typing in the email, so might as well just make a video and show exactly what's happening. Okay, so this is how it is done, and this is how I do it. different pairs, different trades, different times, different news, different trades. Okay, so this is it for now. Talk to you guys later.